Katnat tourism juga Sorkar Jylla kelapan Pynkhreh ban Theh daki Klur tengka naga bynta ban Pynitynnad yaki Jaka Jngohkai pyrthei kiba Thymmai kylleng ki bynta jong ke Jylla. Haba kren berkilat pathai Khubor Myntri Katnat Tourism Bah Paul Lyngdoh gula pyntip ru ba lyngba ka Asian Development Bank kan kyrshan haduh Spah Klur ryngkat katba naga Sorkar Jylla pan kan Theh kumba Spah Klur tengka. Kajuh kapor la pyntip ru ba Katnat kan sa thung kumbah nyau phongut kinong yarap ya kinong wan Jngohkai pyrthei ban longkum kinong kedau lenti ninong batai khamtam ya kibriu kibawan nashabar.
Major review done today was on tourism, which, as you all are well aware, is now touching a new level, with Shillong being the most preferred tourist destination for 2025. And today the Commissioner and Secretary and the Director briefed me about the various projects that are being undertaken. We have a total number of projects funded by the Asian Development Bank amounting to 191 crore rupees, and also from the state plan we have earmarked an amount of 227 crore rupees for the various infrastructural activities in various parts of the state of Meghalaya. That apart, I would also like to share with you that we are shortly, as I stated the other day, we are shortly coming up with a scheme called the Tourism Buddy Scheme deployment, where we will deploy youths who will be given short duration training to handle matters of security, guiding visitors, and generally making their stay in Shillong and other parts of the state comfortable. So we will begin with a batch of roughly 70 such youths. So this will come out by way of an NIT, which will be floated by the Directorate of Tourism shortly. Then also on the Cherry Blossom Festival, which is a prestigious event and has earned a brand of its own, the two-day festival will be inaugurated on the 15th of November by the donor minister, Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia, on the 15th of November in the presence of both the Chief Minister and myself. We are also waiting confirmation from the government of Japan as to which dignitary will attend the festival, as this is for the first time that we are partnering with a foreign country. So that apart, on the 18th and 19th, we will also have the Lit Fest, where renowned writers like Vikram Seth, Shobade, Kanpham Nongkandri, and we are also expecting William Dal Rumble to be part of the fest. Then we also did a review of the Shillong ropeway project. Things are on track, and by mid-November, work will start on the ground.